If you're experiencing frame stuttering in Elden Ring, this guide will help you unlock smoother gameplay. Follow these steps to optimize your settings and improve performance. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum and recommended system requirements for Elden Ring. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, and RAM specifications to ensure they are adequate for smooth gameplay. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Installing the latest drivers can significantly improve game performance and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Launch Elden Ring and navigate to the graphics settings. Lower the resolution, reduce texture quality, and disable unnecessary graphical features like motion blur and anti-aliasing. These adjustments can help improve frame rates. Step 4. Enable VSync or frame rate limits. In the graphics settings, enable VSync or set the frame rate limit to match your monitor's refresh rate. This can help reduce screen tearing and stuttering by synchronizing the game's frame output with your display. Step 5. Optimize background processes. Close any unnecessary applications running in a background that may be consuming system resources. Use the Task Manager to identify and terminate processes that are not needed while playing Elden Ring. By following these steps, you should be able to unlock smoother gameplay in Elden Ring and enjoy a better gaming experience.